Hey guys, I'm Logan with Flowscene Clockworks, and I'm excited to show you a Cuckoo clock repair that we did recently. This is something that comes up a lot, and it's on the internet with people asking questions, and it's hard to find a good solution. It is out there, we'll talk about that, but I want to show you the solution that we came up with and then show you some other solutions available as well. But I just want to make sure we address this because it is such a common thing. And this is a music movement out of this Cuckoo clock, and this has a crown gear on it. So you got the ratchet wheel here, and then you got the crown gear here, and what that does is it turns the dancers. So here's the dancers, here's the crown gear, and if I spin that, the dancers will spin. Problem is, what happens is a lot of these, when they were made originally, they were made out of all plastic. And the whole thing is one black plastic assembly, and that's what this had. And what will happen is either this collar down here will split, or the ratchet mechanism inside will get damaged, worn out, or broken, or in this case, the crown gear had a couple teeth broken off of it. And so the solution that we've got here is that we bought a new ratchet wheel and a new crown gear and assembled them together. So here we got these from Time Savers, our primary parts supplier. They've got these parts very affordably. Part number for the crown gear is 34035, and part number for the great wheel is 15920. So we bought both of those and we're able to assemble them together. Now this right here is a cam that can move things out, like a drummer or something like that. While the music's playing, this clock doesn't have that, so we just popped that off. Not hard to get off, it's just pressed on. And then this crown gear, this hole through the middle is 2 millimeters, and it's about the right size to fit onto this shaft. And so what you could do is you could take the great wheel and slide it on, and then slide the crown gear on, and then tighten the crown gear down. Problem is that's going to put the crown gear out quite a bit further, and that means either you got to move the music movement, or it might interfere with the dancers, something like that. We don't want to deal with that. And so what we did instead, to kind of make a nice, neat, clean solution, is we drilled out the hole in the middle of this crown gear so that it would fit onto the end of this great wheel. And then we took the crown gear and we shaved this collar down. Can't see it very well, but the collar right here in between, shaved it down on the lathe, and got it to where this whole crown gear was thinner so that it would all sit together in the same footprint that the original gear was in. So everything can go back in exactly the same spots without having to shift anything around, not having to move the music movement, not having to move the ratchet wheel, and not having to have the crown gear in a different place. And then we soldered those together, and soldered together really easily. If you ever did need to take this ratchet wheel apart, you would have to desolder this first. Not a big deal. It's not hard to get off, and you don't have to do that very often anyway. Usually these will last 30 years or so before you have to take them apart. So not too worried about that. So that has worked beautifully. Super excited. Great solution. And I hope that helps you. Now, there is another solution that I found after I'd done this that is offered by Black Forest. Black Forest is a great place to get Cuckoo clock parts from, or Cuckoo clocks. We get a lot of Cuckoo clock parts from them that you can't find other places, and they have this kit pre-made. And so it's got the ratchet wheel with the chain guard on it, which is kind of a nice feature, keeps that chain from hopping off. And then they've got the crown gear. Now, I haven't purchased this myself, I haven't tried it. I don't know if it's going to change the length of those things or not, but that is another solution you'll find online. So if you're looking around on some of the forums, you'll find this one pop up. But I just want to make you guys aware of this other option of being able to assemble it yourself. So all that to say is, when those plastic gears break, it seems kind of hopeless because you can't buy them anymore, and it's hard to fix plastic. And so you kind of feel like you need to just make it from scratch, or at least I do. And there's a better solution, faster, easier, cheaper, and far better than the original. So hope that helps, and if you run into that issue, comment below so that you can share your experiences with others, and that we can see what other people are doing in the world of Cuckoo clock repair. So thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.